Hi, I'm Paul Versace from Style by Bloom, and I'm here today to talk about preppy styling with Mollini shoes.
Tapping into the preppy short aesthetic has become particularly modish thanks to Miu Miu's most recent runways. Preppy style and polos come hand in hand. This long sleeve strapped rugby knit is a must-have. Tuck it into a flippy skirt and wear it with socks and loafers for the poshest effect. Mix and matching pieces like the wide leg pant or blazer are the age-perfect addition to your look. Mollini have nailed their subtle details this season. From their textures or hardware, they have a style for everyone.